What's going on, travel fans? It's Ron from RJT Travels, your go-to for all things travel. We are here on the beautiful beach at Sandals Montego Bay this morning, going out to do a snorkel adventure. So before we actually get on the boat and do the adventure, I just wanted to talk about a couple of small things, real simple. First off, snorkeling is included in your reservation, so it's one of your water activities you can do here. They got a few other things too here on the beach. There's your sailboats, they've got some kayaking you can do. They have a glass bottom boat ride that you can take, and we're actually gonna do that later today, so you'll get to see that video too. But basically, it's all included. So when you come to the resort, you don't just have to lay by the ocean or lay by the pool. You can go do activities and do things. The other thing that's fun to mention here, and it's gonna be part of our video today, is that at the dive shop, if you are doing one of these water activities, you can actually rent a GoPro. So they have GoPro 12s here on the dive shop, and you can rent them so that way you can record your adventure. So either maybe you don't have one, or you're like me who has a DJI that isn't really waterproof and don't really want to take it on the ocean, you can rent a GoPro for the day or for the activity and be able to record all your stuff. So we're actually going to rent one here in the shop. So when we go out and do our snorkel adventure, the DJI is going to record everything, getting onto the boat and all that, but then the actual snorkeling in the water underneath, you'll get to some great snorkel views by using the rented GoPro. So if you are going to come down to a Sandals Resort, planning on doing some of these activities, know that they're all included. There's even ways to record it so you can see the adventure and have some fun. So stick with me here. We're gonna go check in for our snorkel adventure, and I'll see you guys on the boat. All right, so I got my equipment, I got my flippers, I got my towel, I got my GoPro, so we're gonna head out here on the boat. They're gonna take us out to the scuba snorkel location, and then we're gonna get to snorkel here. So, around, we're getting on the glass bottom boat and heading out to our snorkel location. So, head that way and see what we find. Alright, so we got all our gear, we got everything on, we're good to go. So now I'm going to switch to the GoPro, and we're going to go see what we can see in the water when we snorkel. So stick with me here while we jump in the water and see what we see. All right, so we just got back to shore, which is great. Honestly, that was a lot of fun. It was super cool to see all the different reefs and all the different stuff, and it was quite an experience. So I definitely recommend that you guys, if you're gonna come out to a Sandals resort, definitely try the snorkeling, because it was fantastic. So now we're back. We just gotta go return our fins and go check out, make sure we made it back to shore and nobody got left behind. So if you guys are interested in that, if you thought what you saw was cool, hit us up. RJT Travels, a fully certified sandals agency. We are Sandals Elite Advisor. We will help you get down here to the beautiful Montego Bay so that you guys can try your own snorkeling and get your own fun footage. So reach out to us, rjttravels.com. Hit us up on any of our social channels. And as always, until next time, guys, happy travels.